Last month, I decided to attempt a 200 hours yoga teacher training course in Rishikesh. One of the most rewarding experiences of my life so far, I must say. I was doing yoga already since a few years, but that environment awakened something in me and made me more confident in what I do. Today, I'm going to break it down for you, the good, the bad, the delightful, all of it. My name is Abha, and welcome to my channel where I share my experiences and talk about wellness and discovery. Hey, this is Abha. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I'm so happy to see you here again. Today, I'm going to share my yoga course experience that I did last month in Rishikesh. ऐसी काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें हुई जो मैंने एक्सपेक्ट भी नहीं की थी. At the same time, a lot of things that I was expecting didn't happen. So I will be very honest with you and share everything, the good, bad, the challenging part, everything. And I also know that a lot of you really want to do a yoga teacher training course. The reason might be somebody wants to be a yoga teacher, other just want to learn yoga. Somebody might do it for the cool experience. It is, which it is, definitely, which we are going to literally talk about in this video. So this is the right place, my friend. Let's get started. Also, right now, I just intuitively felt like that the world really need to hear this, especially my circle. So I just felt like making a video, and that's what I'm exactly doing. Because few months back, even I was in that state and I was really looking for answers, but I couldn't get properly. So this is going to be a manual. If you want to deep dive into this, come here, watch it, and then I hope you get some sort of clarity. सबसे पहले तो लोकेशन की बात करते हैं. तो जैसे मैंने अपना कोर्स ऋषिकेश से किया है, and this is also known as Yog Nagari, and I think this was one of the best decisions that I could have done. Earlier, I was also thinking to go to Mysore and do it from there, but I think whatever happens, happens for the best. So location-wise, if you are from South, you can go to Mysore as well. If you're from North, welcome to Rishikesh, my friend. And आप ऐसा नहीं है कि अगर आप साउथ से हैं तो नॉर्थ नहीं जा सकते, नॉर्थ से हैं तो साउथ नहीं जा सकते. It completely depends on you, your choice, your preferences. So select like that. How did I choose the yoga school? I just googled, to be honest. I had this particular budget in my mind, so depending on that, depending on other certain criterias which we are going to talk about later, I selected my school. Also, I had a friend over here in Rishikesh. She's working over here since last 2 months, specifically associated with schools. So I researched with her, talked with her, and she suggested a couple of schools here. That's how I decided to go for this particular school. And here, literally, I shared a room with 14 other girls. And it's really a big thing for an introvert like me, but I would say it was such an amazing experience. The people were really amazing over here. The teachers, they really knew what they're talking about. The food was amazing, the accommodation was amazing. Plus, my favorite part was early mornings when I used to go to the terrace and I could see all these mountains and Ganga Ji flowing over there. Plus, we had nearby Ghat, which was around 1 kilometer distance away, and I used to just walk over there and sit near Ganga Ji. That was such an amazing experience. I must say that's why I choose Rishikesh. This is one of my major reason to choose Rishikesh. Also, when I reached there, I realized that काफ़ी सारे schools हैं जो बहुत different styles सिखाते हैं. So for example, you might want to learn Hatha Yoga specifically. You might want to learn Vinyasa or Ashtanga Yoga specifically. So आपको उसी हिसाब से अपने स्कूल को चूज़ करना है. So for example, the school from where I did my teacher training course, it was a multi-style yoga school. तो मैंने काफ़ी सारे अलग अलग स्टाइल सीखे, and I think for someone like me it was a perfect decision because now I can choose a specific style to pursue further. And also this training goes for about a month, so you should definitely research beforehand what kind of style do you want to learn and then go for that particular specific school which teaches this particular kind of style so that you can really enjoy the whole process and stick to it. So there is this idea that yoga school mein they are just going to teach you yoga asanas, but that's not true. Even I had this myth earlier before doing this course. Now I really want to break this myth, and it's not about just learning asanas, but about learning the yogic lifestyle. You have to get up early, you have to do a hatha yoga class or vinyasa class, then you have to do pranayama as well. You have to learn anatomy, philosophy, then you have to apply that philosophy in your life, the way you are living. Then meditation and stuff, there are a lot of things. You have to follow the sattvic diet as well. So yoga is not just about a physical exercise, but it's about your lifestyle, the soul body connection. It's about that. So overall, it's a very beautiful experience that you can have, but sometimes it gets really challenging. यहाँ पे जो आपको डाइट मिलेगी, that is going to be a sattvic diet, no non-veg, only vegetarian food. I myself being vegetarian all my life, I can understand it, but there are people who literally need to stick to the vegetarian diet, and it's not about I'm a vegetarian so I'm right and you are a non-vegetarian so you are wrong. No, I'm not saying this. I'm just saying that listen to your body really, because again, this is scientifically proved that it is hard to digest. But I know a lot of people who have non-vegetarian food every day, literally every day. You should give a rest to your stomach, buddy. No offense. Now comes the schedule, because it was quite a challenging schedule. You have to get up 5 a.m. every morning. When I started traveling, it was like some days I was sleeping at 2, 3, so it becomes really hard to get up early in the morning. My schedule was literally messed up. So when I went there and I had to get up early, it was quite a challenging moment for me. So schedule hota tha that you have to get up early. Then there were 2 batches. I was from the second batch. We used to have early morning hatha class where we used to perform asanas. After 8 we used to had pranayam class. Then fulfilling breakfast at 9. And we used to had anatomy and a philosophy class. After that lunch at 12:30. And there was this break of like 1.5 hours of break. And in that you can go out and explore. तो कभी कभी तो मैं घाट पे चली जाती थी, कभी कभी मुझे सिर्फ अंदर ही रहकर सोना होता था. तो I would take a nap. That was my plan during the break. And then we had a vinyasa class. Post that we had a meditation class, and then dinner at 7:30. And after that you are free. If you want to go and explore Rishikesh, you can do that. But most of the days I used to feel so tired that I would just take a nap or revise whatever been taught since the morning. जब आप योगा के सारे aspects को पढ़ने लगते हो, you learn so much and you can literally see that nothing is separate, everything is linked. Like anatomy, philosophy, you can apply everything in your life. So it is such a useful experience, to be honest. Can anyone do yoga teacher training course? Yes, anyone can do it. So earlier I used to think that I have to have that certain flexibility, otherwise I will not be able to do it and blah blah blah. But when I went there, a lot of people came who weren't that flexible, but then again their understanding was even deeper than mine. So I spent a lot of time in gaining that flexibility over the past 2 years. I was flexible, but then when I went there, my strength wasn't enough. I wasn't even able to do chaturanga. You just need a will, my friend, and a strong reason that why do you want to do it. But at the same time, I'm not saying that it is very easy, but it is doable. If you have that will, you are definitely going to pull it off. एक हफ्ते का टाइम लगता है बॉडी को अडेप्ट करने में, but slowly when your body starts adapting everything, the schedule and everything, then you start having fun. You start loving the entire process. Trust me when I say this. Then you get a lot of time to do extra activities. Like in the afternoon you get 3 hours. Then at the night as well you get 3 hours. So some of us used to go to explore Rishikesh. हमें से कुछ लोग सो ही जाते थे, कुछ लोग अपना काम करते थे, पढ़ाई करते थे, जो भी पूरे दिन में पढ़ाया है उसे रिवाइज करते थे. I personally used to go to the ghat and just sit near Ganga Ji. And then, oh my god, how can I forget about the amazing trek experience that we had. So we literally trekked down from Kunjapuri temple to Tapovan, and it was around 3 to 4 hours of trek. The trek was amazing. I have already made a separate video for it, so you can go and watch it. But I've done a lot of treks in my life. This was so far the most challenging trek. ऐसा नहीं था कि distance wise it was so long. I have done so many treks जिसमें मुझे non-stop 10 से 12 घंटे चलना पड़ा था one time when I went to Hemkund trek. So that was an experience of its own kind. But this trek was shorter one, but at the same time it was so challenging. Like the slope was this, and there were a lot of pebbles, plus it started raining. So बहुत ही फिसलन भरा रास्ता था, but जैसे तैसे पहुंच गए. But it was an amazing experience, and then we stopped at a waterfall. Wow. So all these activities you can do when you go to Rishikesh, and highly recommended, because this helps your soul to grow. And of course, you are going to meet a lot of like-minded people who are really into yogic science, spirituality, numerology, astrology. And this was the amazing part, that now I know so many amazing people who are really very good in what they do. They are literally very skilled, and often I have conversations with them even now. This is something which I cannot express in words. I think this is a really amazing place to meet like-minded people, and the people who share same values as you. The bad part about the yoga teacher training was that I personally observed that a lot of people felt sick during the training, because see, our body is not used to that much of exercise and pranayama. When you suddenly throw your body into that environment, it is definitely going to push back. So this happened with a lot of people. तो अगर आप भी डिसाइड कर रहे हो अभी जाने का, तो जस्ट प्रिपेयर योर बॉडी स्लोली एंड देन गो देयर. ऐसे डायरेक्टली ऐसे मत चले जाओ कि अभी तक आप कुछ भी एक्सरसाइज नहीं कर रहे हो एंड देन यू जस्ट जंप to the yoga teacher training course. This is definitely going to backfire at you, so don't do this. चल बढ़िया 1 2 3 4. गाइस सुबह के 4 बज रहे हैं और हम जा रहे हैं हरिद्वार गंगा जी नहाने. Birthday to you, happy birthday to you. Yo. चल आगे देख. नाम क्या तेरा? मनीष.
तेरा नाम
कामना.
नेहाल.
बता. दो मनीष है. ये भी तो मनीष है.
राजू और